Hi everyone, here we are going to go over les pronoms personnels. These are used with le verbe être and le verbe avoir, which will be the next two lectures. So, as you can see on the board here, I have 3 columns, okay? And the first one just identifies if it's first person, second person, or third person, and if it's singulier or pluriel. Again, singulier means we're talking, in this case, about one person, only one person. And you can find them here, okay? The bottom half are all pluriel. First person pluriel, deuxième personne pluriel, and troisième personne pluriel. This means we're talking about 2 or more people, okay? Now, here are the pronouns. It's je, j apostrophe, very similar to the L apostrophe, tu, il, and elle. All of those are singulier, okay? And then we have nous, vous, il, and elle. Okay, now listen. Yes, I know that there's an S after il, but we still just say il. So we read it the exact same way, il and il. We don't pronounce the S, it's just there to let us know that we are referring to multiple people, 2 or more people. Same thing with elle. Okay, and then the last column is just les pronoms written in English. I thought that might help you a little bit to understand a little bit more. Okay, so je and j apostrophe means I, tu means you, il and elle means he or she, nous means we, okay, vous means you, as in plural, okay, you, and then il means they. Same thing with elle, it means they. Okay, so now that you have this information, we will carry it on into the next lecture.